Indonesia is a country with enormous natural resource potential. Besides, excellent human resources and the availability of abundant natural resources make Indonesia one of the world's largest exporting countries. In the seaweed farming sector, Gorontalo Province is regarded as one of Indonesia's 10 main seaweed producing regions. The province is blessed with a more than 50,500 cubic kilometers water area and is sustained by three center areas for producing fisheries and marine resources, including the Tomini Bay, the Sulawesi, and the Sulawesi Sea Exclusive Economic Zone. So, it is not a surprise that the province's marine products on the Sulawesi Peninsula are very abundant, including seaweed. Two seaweed species have been identified as the main commodities in Gorontalo Province, which are Eucheuma cottoni and Eucheuma spinosa. Both species can be developed into various derivative products, ranging from food and cosmetics to hydrocolloids as food and non-food additives. Data from the Marine and Fisheries Agency disclosed an annual increase in seaweed farming trends. In 2020, seaweed production reached 8,600 tons, then rose to 9,265 tons in 2021 and 12,147 tons in 2022. Two main contributor agencies of seaweed production in Gorontalo Province are North Gorontalo and Pohuwato. The seaweed farming in North Gorontalo Regency has been a burgeoning hustle so that its farmers are spread across the sub-districts of Anggrek, Kuanda, Ponelo Kepulauan, Monano, Tomilito, and Sumalata Timur. In the past 2 years, Eucheuma cottoni fresh seaweed production has increased. In 2020 alone, seaweed production in North Gorontalo Regency reached 8,667 tons, an increase to 9,257 tons in 2021. With an average percentage of an annual increase of 8%, one data of Marine and Fisheries Agency of North Gorontalo Regency. The potential for seaweed farming in North Gorontalo Regency is bolstered by the availability of 7,000 hectares of farming area, which is estimated to generate a yearly income of up to 1 trillion Indonesian rupiah. The vast seawaters of North Gorontalo Regency facing directly to the exclusive economic zone Sulawesi Sea area have made the Regency highly strategic for developing exports of seaweed commodities. Speaking of Pohuwato Regency, located in the western part of Gorontalo Province, it also possesses abundant potential for seaweed farming. The Regency earmarks an area of 3,255 hectares for the development of seaweed farming and is spread along the coast of Pohuwato, starting from the sub-districts of Marisa, Paguan, Wonggarasi, Lemito, Popayato Barat, and Popayato Timur. Based on land suitability evaluation for seaweed farming in coastal areas, an area of 11,821.11 hectare is classified as Class S1 or highly suitable for the seaweed farming development land in Pohuwato Regency, while another 14,112.11 hectare is classified as Class S2 or suitable. Domestic and foreign investors are still highly interested in the potential for seaweed farming, considering that this commodity's market and export value is still wide open. In 2021, for example, from January to October, the export value of seaweed increased by 20.42% year-on-year or YOY, with a value of $177.99 million. The growth in cumulative export value was also followed by increase of export volume of 11.68% year-on-year or YOY to 159.59 thousand tons compared to the same period on 2020, amounting to 142.90 thousand tons. The main export destination countries are China, South Korea, Chile, Vietnam, and France. In Indonesia, the type of seaweed that is best known in both the domestic and global markets is Eucheuma cattoni, which farmers in North Gorontalo Regency and Pohuwato Regency also farm. In addition to the availability of farming land, the positive trend of export value and demand for seaweed exports, which are still wide open in the market. The positive net present value also makes seaweed farming opportunities very attractive to investors. Additionally, an internal rate of return reaching 232% asserts that such a farm is promising business opportunity. In reference to the feasibility analysis data for seaweed farming using the floating raft method, an investment of 24,735,050,000 Indonesian rupiah will generate an income of 120 billion Indonesian rupiah. The development of exports of seaweed commodities in Gorontalo Province, particularly in North Gorontalo Regency and Pohuwato Regency, has been carefully prepared since it is supported through adequate fishery infrastructure nearby, one of which is a port that also serves export and import containerized shipment to and from ports with interregional, inter-island, and abroad connections. Accessibility to seaweed farming areas using various modes of transportation makes Gorontalo Province very suitable for seaweed investment development.
Apabila ada inspektor asing datang menanam modal di kabupaten kami dengan terkait dengan usaha kami sebagai rumput laut ini, saya sangat bersyukur. Karena kenapa saya mengatakan bersyukur? Kami sebagai petani-petani rumput laut tidak akan lagi jauh-jauh ke Makassar untuk membawa hasil produksi kami, hasil panen kami.
Gorontalo Province is not only known for its fisheries and marine sectors, but also as one of the corn commodity barns in Indonesia. The trend of corn production reached 1.6 million tons in 2021 and indicated its optimization possibility to meet the demand for raw materials for animal feed independently, which the Bolim Regency administration is currently planning. The annual corn production is 297,536 tons, in which the potential for the downstream corn industry in Bolim Regency is directed towards the development of animal and poultry feed, as it tends to increase every year both domestically and globally. The presence of a professionally managed corn-based poultry feed industry is expected to be part of the breakthrough to develop various technological innovations to address existing problems in the feed industry, including increasing efficiency, quality control, and feed processing. Opportunities for the feed industry are still very wide open, in line with the feed market's positive trend, which is expected to grow from 22 million tons in 2022. Meanwhile, the availability of the main raw material for poultry feed or corn, which is easy and inexpensive, in Bolim Regency is a driving factor in reducing production costs. Investment in animal feed factories in Bolim Regency has been long awaited by poultry business players, as it is expected to help farmers to get more affordable prices with quality feed that meets nutritional standards and digestibility. The high demand makes the industry projected to make a monthly profit of 2,265,811,000 Indonesian rupiah, or 27,189,732,000 Indonesian rupiah annually, based on the calculations for a period of 15 years with a BEP feasibility value of 6.8 years. The feasibility of the feed industry gains an NPV of 5.65 Indonesian rupiah billion and an IRR of 8.65%, indicating that this business is very feasible.
Kami sangat bersyukur apabila ada investor industri pakan datang ke Gorontalo.
A opportunities for developing seaweed farming and the feed industry in Gorontalo Province are still fully open. In addition to community support, the government of Gorontalo Province and Regencies City, through a one-stop integrated licensing service, are also highly supportive by providing ease of taking care of farming and industrial business permits. Thus, it designates that the local government has always been committed to supporting the growth of the investment climate in Pohuat Regency, which will impact the local community and region. Dulu ito, Monao Ode Hulondalo. Come to Gorontalo.